Guys, welcome back. Today we've got a 2007 Porsche 911 Carrera 2S convertible in manual, in Atlas grey. Absolutely stunning, amazing spec, really good service history with it. Only done 66k. Last owner was a enthusiast own, and a Porsche owners member, club member, sorry. IMS has been done, the RMS rear main seal has been done, new clutch, flywheel, coolant pipes, all done within the last sort of 10,000 miles in the last sort of 2-3 years. He's had it about 3-4 years, I think now. A very well kept car, and out of all the Porsches we've done, this by far, in my opinion, drives absolutely spot on. It's got the active suspension that's been sort of refreshed, really well done. Little things like the original sat-nav unit, stuff like that, it's been OEM Bluetooth upgraded, so you can have phone and audio, and it's just all in all a nice example to drive. So let's have a look around. Atlas grey, so those who don't know, looks black almost, but it's not. You can kind of just see in the light. That's actually, to be fair, there you go, that's a black 911, that's Atlas grey, but at night this looks quite dark, to be fair. Very sort of light stone chips, nothing too horrendous. It's got the upgraded LED front lights, really nice 19-inch concave wheels, which you can see there. Bearing in mind this car is what now, 18, 19 years old nearly. It's just been kept really well. These look, I think, really good with the roof down, because the back arches just really, they're over exaggerated, they just look really wide. Little touch in there. That pops, that does. Let's have a look inside. Also has the factory sports exhaust, and the valves were upgraded. Passenger seat in lovely condition as well. Really nice there. Rear seats, like so many of these, not really satin. It's got Bose audio as well. Look under the bonnet. So we've got with it as well, you have a wind deflector, and you've got a Porsche cover, which is slotting quite nicely, but obviously you can remove that if you like, if you want the loading space, but they come with it. And onto the driver's side, all looking good here. Driver's seat padding is fairly good as well. Ever so slight blemish on there. It's 18 years old, so you can have something, but we can try and do something with that, but it's there. Steering wheel in decent condition as well. And we've got two keys down here. There's your mileage, 66k. There's your Bluetooth mic, which is built into this OEM unit. Let's turn the radio down. Like I said, you've got an old school map. Not that you would use it, but the main thing is the Bluetooth part. So you got active suspension there as well, and the sports exhaust. So I'll give you a little example. Sports exhaust, cold engine, I'm not going to rev it too hard, but this is the valve's closed. Valve's open. Bear in mind that is against a wall, but it just sounds so good. Really does. Let's get the roof up. And the windows go up as you hold the button. There you go, let's pop that down. And there you go, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you like what you see or would like to know more, there will be a link directly below in the description which will take you straight to the advert. If you've got any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching. Bye.